Hi, we're Chris and Elisa. We live in our RV full-time and work from the road as digital nomads. Up until now, we haven't had a dedicated office, but with Chris starting a new job, we thought it was finally time to outfit our van with a proper workspace. Check out how we converted our RV bunk beds into a mobile office and stand-up desk. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi there, I'm Elisa. After years in the tech industry, I was exhausted by the pressure. So I quit the capitalist hustle. Now I live in a tiny house with my partner and pup, learning to live simply and stress-free. I share that journey here. Hit subscribe and join us in the slow carve. So I am just arriving at IKEA. It's definitely not my first choice. Here in Spain, we still have to wear masks in the shops. But anyway, it's a much better improvement. During the pandemic, when we were doing like our bigger renovations, we had to stand in like multi-hour lines outside or order and pick it up at a designated time, which was often weeks in advance. So today will be an improvement. Hopefully I'll be able to actually go inside and pick up the storage bits that we need for Chris's stand-up office. So just walked in and actually found something super similar to what we'll need. So I'm gonna go on the hunt and try to find it downstairs. I was actually just having a thought about how growing up, I didn't actually used to collect fashion magazines. What I did was collect IKEA catalogs, and it just like warms my heart to be in here so many years later and just thinking about what home decor and styling and, you know, the importance of home has meant since I was a little bean. Found it! Full wall of organization for the office. Let's see what we can put together. Okay, I'm just looking for the right size. Trying to figure out if we can put the Bluetooth keyboard and extra bits in here and still leave enough room for hanging cords and pens and stuff. Oh my god, do you guys remember these? They were pretty limited in the options for actually hanging things on the wall, so I was just looking at these guys. I wonder if we could like poke some of the hangers through. Like they've got these little like hooks that you can essentially either like are rounded or straight. And I wonder if we could just kind of like pull them through the back and make our own sort of little cup that has a little bit more style. But these would be a little bit easier because they've got kind of the holes already built in. You wouldn't like mess up the integrity of the basket itself, but they're huge, so it's not going to work. So I'm going to keep looking and see. They did also have some colored options, but it might be just a little bit too much in the space. I'm trying to minimize noise because it's so tiny. So still looking. Pop stuff. I love you. Idea of this is actually turning this space into a standing desk space. So maybe there'll be something for the keyboard, and then his screens can go up. That is it for our RV tour today, guys. Until next time, stay safe. Mwah.